you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, I'm so glad to see you, my friend. Today's video is a part of the Holiday Cookie Exchange 2021, coordinated by Jenny Goth. 28 different YouTube channels are participating in this cookie collaboration swap. If you have a cookie recipe to share, put it in the comments down below, and if you would like to make a video, make sure to tag Jenny Goth and she'll add your video to the playlist. If you're new to my channel, I teach cooking from scratch, baking, canning, dehydrating, and if it's food related, well, it might be on my channel. And if you're into that kind of interest, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you find value in this video, please hit that like button. And today's cookie recipe is my mom's. The cookie recipe I'm going to share with you today, I believe is a unique cookie because I have yet to see another cookie recipe that's similar. My mom's always made it in my childhood. It is a cookie that has apples and oranges and carrots, sunflower seeds, dates and raisins, along with some spices. And my cat won't stop talking. What?
Clover is my mom's name, and they're ABC cookies because they're filled with vitamins A, B, and C, plus iron, phosphorus, and potassium. These cookies are super moist and chewy and full of all kinds of hints of flavors. They're good keepers if you hide them, and they store in a tight container with a slice of bread.
You will need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of wheat flour, a cup of brown sugar, a cup of regular sugar, 1 apple diced, 1 cup of pitted dates chopped, a cup of raisins, and a cup of sunflower seeds, an orange zested, then the peeled off, and then the whole orange, and 1 cup of grated carrots, 3 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt, and 2 sticks of butter. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add all this to the food processor.
So,
The apples,
carrots,
and the orange and the zest. There. And we'll put it on and put it on pulse. Pulse means,
I don't know what pulse means.
how's your pulse go in your heart?
No.
Beat, 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 beat,
Yes,
beat, beat.
I said beat.
So then that's what you do with this.
Pulse?
Yep. All right. So when you pulse, that means everything has a chance to fall back down. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
All right.
More?
Just a little bit more. We got a couple pieces of oranges in there. They're a little too bite size. All right, good. All right, that should be good. You just dump these in.
Do you want
Here, you want to?
Sure. Pulse?
Yep. Get off. There we go. Here, let me take the blade out. Make it kid friendly for you. All right, there. All right, now we're gonna set this aside, and why don't you turn the oven on to 350? Bake and start.
Okay.
All right, you need to sift all this flour through that sieve.
You dump it in while I do this?
Yeah, I was getting a cup. Tap with your hand. Yep. Here, up here. salt, baking soda, clove, allspice, nutmeg, and push your fingers through there. No, don't. That's the whole point of sifting it.
Okay.
To get the lumps out. So far today we've learned how to chop up an apple and dates and carrots. Right?
Yep.
And zest an orange. Alright, next we're gonna put the butter in.
And this.
Yeah, in the mixer bowl. So we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar together so it's nice and fluffy. Which should probably take 5 minutes on high. Since my machine is just 2 speeds, I use high for everything. But if you have a regular KitchenAid, you would want to put it on a 4 or 6 for medium speed. Now you want to add each egg one at a time. Maybe we should knock down the sides.
Here.
Why don't you tell the viewers that it smells good?
It smells good.
And you want to mix well combined after each egg. We're going to wipe the sides down. Maybe I should use the scraper paddles.
Yeah.
But oh well.
Okay.
It's all good. It's Gucci. Is that what the kids say nowadays? No?
No.
Is that a generation before you?
Yeah.
Alright. Last step. Alright. Scrape down the sides for me, please.
Here you go.
Alright, now we're going to gradually add the flour.
To this.
Alright, that's about half. Here, just mix it up.
2. How many cups?
Probably could jack it all in. Because we're using a Bosch. If it's a KitchenAid, I would take my time. Alright, that's well blended, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to add this now.
Okay.
And this is considered your wet ingredients besides the butter, especially the juice of that orange. So how good does it smell now?
Good. Wow.
Alright, you want to take your butter wrapper and grease the pans
Sure.
for me, please?
Yep.
That's assistant.
Yes, mine looks better than
All right.
yours.
Now these are drop cookies. You know what drop cookies
You
mean?
just take a little scoop and put it there.
Here. Just like that.
Okay.
Now you have to make them almost the same size so they bake evenly. And make sure they are apart a little bit because they spread. Just a little bit.
It just looks bigger.
We'll put a little bit more there. And you want to put them about 2 inches apart, according to the directions.
It'll make a lot of cookie dough.
Yes, it does. All right. Here, I would put those two together.
Why?
Hmm?
Why would you put them together?
Be a nice cookie. There we go. All right, next row. Good job, Haley. We'll be done in no time. Oh, that's not 2 inches apart though.
I know. It's worth a try these. Why do you need so many then?
Huh?
Why do you need so many?
Because we're having a cookie exchange
Yeah.
at church, and my quilt club is having a cookie exchange.
Do you have to take these two cookies?
So I need at least 9 dozen. And guess what? It makes 9 dozen if we portion them out right. But I can always make those chocolate turtle cookies.
Yeah.
Did you see that video?
Not yet, but I saw the picture when we looked at it.
They are good. And next time I'm gonna try drizzling caramel on top with the chocolate.
That'd probably be good.
One of my subscribers gave me that suggestion.
There you go.
All right, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Depending on the oven you have. Well, don't be skimpy on these cookies, Ailey.
What?
I'm trying to be here all night the way you're portioning them out. All right, you want to let these sit for 2 minutes before you take them off the tray and onto the cooling rack. Dig in. Well, how are they?
They're delicious.
They're amazing.
They're soft and chewy.
Yeah, moist.
There's a little hint of everything in it.
Really good.
I think we need another taste.
Thanks for watching us.
Come back soon.
God bless you guys.
What the heck over that?
Thanks for watching. Come back and see us.
I'm done.
We're both saying it at the same time.
Yeah, babe, put this on there. I'm gonna smack my sister.
All right, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Come back